E aí galera do YouTube, seus putos, como vai vocês? Estou trazendo mais um vídeo, mas agora é de Deadpool, um jogo foda que eu creio que a maioria de vocês vão gostar.
Hey Deadpool, it's Domino. So I got another contract for you if you're interested. The coin is good, so just let me know. Oh, and regarding that other thing you texted me about, I can't. I mean, it was just supposed to be that one time, and anyway, just call me. Deadpool.
Aí já começa Deadpool furioso pra caralho.
Anyway, looked over your proposal. Not gonna pretend I understand any of it, but the answer is no. We're gonna pass on your big game idea.
What? He said no? That was our chance to be in our own video game.
Maybe we shouldn't have written the proposal in crayon. Relax. You know he's gonna call back.
Oh yeah, because of the...
Deadpool! Hey, it's Peter. You know, dickhead. Remember when I called you earlier and told you no? I'm such a joker, because I meant yes, of course. The new proposal you sent over this morning went off with a big bang in the office today. Genius. Just genius. So, sum it up, congratulations. Let's make a video game.
See? Once again, our explosive personality wins the day. High five! No high fives, we're voices in our head.
I've got my top designers banging away on a script right now. As soon as it's ready, we'll send it right over.
Script?
This is bullshit. A script? Like some dingus word writer's gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am.
Caralho, ele tá coçando o saco com a arma.
Boiola.
That's thing, really. Yeah, right. What's so amazing about the click? Hey, what's that? You guys tracking my every move now? But I haven't even accomplished anything in this game yet. And there's another one. Oh, so it's gonna be one of those games, huh? So, how's the ball licking coming along? Red Rocket, Red Rocket! You just sit tight, and I won't have to shoot you. Wonder what's in here. Yeah.
Caralho, ele vai cagar mesmo.
There we go. Now we're talking. Much more realistic. Fine. You asked for this. Hundreds of... Oh! Oh, you gotta love the ones that make you sweat.
Caralho, ele nem limpou o cu.
Empolgante. Tá sendo bem divertido.
You wanna watch me crap, huh?
Ay, muy caliente es no bueno.
Nobody's home!
O que você quer, prostituta do caralho?
Underwear? Are you trying to... No autographs today, poop.
Tome, filha da puta. Fechei a
This is
porta na
nice
sua
and all,
cara.
But if you get any inkling to want to go kill stuff, just let me know.
Hello, sir. I have a package that...
So do I. Yoink. Package. Shit. As I suspected. Words. Everywhere. Lame.
We should read some of them.
Fine. Scene 1. Dark and stormy night. Deadpool is contracted to kill media mogul Chance White, who is blah 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 dee blah blah. Don't need that. Edit that.
Ah, crayons. Very classy.
Why are we trying to kill what's-his-face?
Who cares? I'm making art here. Behold!
Not
Caralho,
sure
ele
the
quer
player
matar o
understands
Wolverine.
our
Não, eu sou o Jô Soares, sua piranha.
thinking yet.
Hey, player, just go with it. We're about to change your fucking life.
Bring the noise!
Ah, a sewer.
Gente, como é treino, eu vou adiantar essa parada.
You can't read. Yes, I can. I only play PC games. Hey, there's some text. Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says. Sweet, jump button. Light attacks, check. Heavy attacks, got it. I command goons to spawn so we can test our match skills. Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens. Enemies can't hurt us while we are teleporting. Can't hit what isn't there, baby. You know what's better than not getting hit? Hitting back. Press the button when you see icon above the enemy's head. Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on. What did you have in mind? Besides you two schmucks? One crate, please.
Whew. Sometimes it's the setup work that'll get you all tuckered out. Bounce house. Check. Boing. Banana. Boing. Boing. Wahoo! Hey, we don't take fall damage, so go nuts.
Ooh, an unsuspecting bad guy. Let's stealth kill him.
In my game, you get points for killing baddies.
Yeah, and you spend those points to get cool upgrades to make us more badass.
That is impossible.
Yeah, but it's called progression in games. A must-have. Hey, player, open up the upgrade menu and see what we can buy. Ta-da! If it were me, I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher.
E morreu.
Errou!
Ai, que burro! Dá 0 pra ele!
Não, você é burro, cara, que loucura.
Oh, and hold the jump button to mantle up ledges.
Finalmente eu consegui com minha burrice. Eu consegui passar dessa merda.
Time to go boom. Phew! That's what happens when you mix C4 with a bean burrito. Now be honest. I'm not the only one with a little bit of shit in their pants right now, am I?
Move, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way!
go to high school with you?
What the hell is going on down there? Security, get off your duffs and respond. I'll be in my penthouse. Don't let that clown get in here.
Penthouse, huh? Time to hop the elevators. Where could they be?
Why are we here again?
Aha! We're getting paid to off some billionaire douche novel.
That'd be media mogul chance.
Caralho, despedacei o cara, vem.
Some private army makes babies cry. Your classic easy to hate villain.
What are we doing again?
Elevators. Are you even paying attention?
Of course I am. Making sure you were. And cut. Moving on.
What the hell is that? Hey, Blade! Yeah, stay away from it!
Alert! We are locking elevator access now.
Troops should give me that. Listen, you little masked moron. Nobody comes into my house like this. I hope it was worth it.
The elevators are disabled.
Oh, I know. Let's just get some chimichangas and wait for him to come downstairs.
Or we could find a way to shut down power to the entire building. That would force a system reset, bringing power back to the elevator.
I like this guy. We should keep him around.
To maintenance!
Somebody get down there and shoot that clown!
I am not a clown, sir.
Good hit!
Catch!
Get to cover! On target!
How's that for a souvenir?
He's over there! Come on! Face me now!
Wow, he had a lot of guts.
Aqui é só tiroteio, bicho doido.
I aim because I care.
Oh shit!
I need theme music. Yeah, something like that.
Get some backup ready!
Good thing bullets are cheap. But they're not cheap.
Se fodeu.
My, what big generators you have.
Is that code?
Nah, innuendo. Innuendo, I forget.
This is what I think it is. Jackpot! Ooh, scary. How about those elevators work again? I'm so smart.
Which one of you pinheads shut down the damn power? Get down there and fix it!
Let's try something a little fancier. The higher your combo, the faster you can earn momentum to do awesome moves like that. We can get more momentum moves by upgrading our weapons.
High combos mean more DeadPool points, which mean more awesome upgrades. Got it!
This would go a lot smoother if my reputation preceded me.
I think you need to leave survivors for that to happen.
Come on, let's get him! Time to kick some ass!
E morreu.
Chancey, lay off your boys. They are hitting me. It's just that I'm healing. I got a sick healing factor. Get used to it. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You're gonna want to have a doctor take a look at
É muita pancadaria, cê é louco, fi.
Look at that splatter pattern. I'll tell you, some forensic schmuck is gonna have a hell of a time with that.
You ready to dance, sunshine?
Ooh, that's a shot. Should've used the bye-bye.
There he is. Hey, heads up. Time to work. Hey, meatbag! Oh, traitor.
Shoot, that was my favorite bullet. Can you send it back? Or just don't lose it. Coming over. An open elevator. That's more like it.
That's called a block.
Hey, this is my jam.
You can't sing.
Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. See, he's like an angel. I'm crazy. I'm crazy for feeling. This must be my stop. Ah, there's gotta be
Nossa
a way
meia
out of here.
cantoria.
Think, Deadpool, think. Well, I gotta get to the penthouse somehow. Hey, have you bought any upgrades lately? It's a down moment, you know? Might be a good time.
Caralho, o que eu faço aqui?
Errou! You think the bounce house is still pumped up?
Of course it is.
É isso aí, galera, vou acabando o vídeo por aqui. É isso aí, galera, se inscreve no canal, dê um like no vídeo, é isso aí, seus putos. Sim, galera, sabe quando eu vou mandar vídeo?
Não sei.
É isso aí, galera, não sei quando vou mandar vídeo. Valeu, galera.